Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2020 Ford Escape. These flaps are made of a heavy-duty premium rubber, offering a durable and sleek fit for your vehicle. And the best part? They're made right here in Canada. Let's get started. To start, remove the 4 push pins on the fender flare. With the push pins off, remove the 10mm bolt on the underside of the fender and pull the factory liner away from the fender flare as shown. With the fender liner now out of the way, we will install the supplied U-clips over the 4 factory tabs on the fender. Install the first 2 U-clips onto the metal beneath the fender flare as shown. Then install the final 2 clips directly onto the plastic liner. Once the clips are in place, reinstall the liner to its original position. Next, place the supplied bracket through the corresponding slot on the body of your mud flap as shown. Then place the supplied bolt and washer into the hole of the bracket and secure it using a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. With everything now prepared, we will begin installing the flap. Use a supplied flat washer, stainless screw, and nylon spacer to loosely attach your mud flap to the fender as shown. Repeat this step for the next position on the mud flap. Next, use 2 sets of 1.5" stainless black washers and supplied bolts to loosely secure the top 2 holes of the mud flap. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Finally, secure the inside of the flap by reinstalling the factory bolt removed from the underside of the fender. Then tighten the last fastener on the end of the mud flap as shown. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.